So we've just left our hotel, and we're going to try and get a Tuk Tuk or an Uber now to the Pink Palace. Is that right?
Yeah, Newgate.
Newgate.
Yeah, which is the entrance to the pink walled city, where the shops are.
And we're going to get in an Indian Ferrari.
An Indian Ferrari.
And an Indian Ferrari.
So on Uber it's 54 rupees. We're going to go and see what he tries to charge us, because I imagine it's going to be a lot more. I bet he goes in at 300.
Do you reckon?
Yeah.
At least 200.
He's out, he's waiting, he's watching, he's desperate. He's already asked us twice. Look, there he is.
Do you want to do the deed, Hunter?
Indian Ferrari.
So I'm going to Newgate.
Do you want to take the map?
Got the
So
map.
he knows exactly where we're going.
That's the one. You go in with the casino watch.
Because quite a lot of them take you to the wrong place and tell you that you're at the right place.
Newgate?
Yeah.
Yes.
How much?
All?
All of us, yeah.
Yeah, all of us. Well, we can leave her behind.
No.
No.
Please.
How much?
How much?
It's maybe like 350 rupees.
350 rupees.
All together.
Okay.
All of you. Come.
Lol. I was 50 out. That was a good effort though, wasn't it? Right, sorry, we're going to get
It's alright, we'll get an Uber.
Yeah.
So why you go there?
we're going shopping.
Why are we going there?
Because
Why are we going there?
Yeah.
there is nothing there.
There is. Here, look.
Just
We're going to buy a sari.
Sadi.
A sari.
Sadi is nearby
Yeah.
here.
Newgate. Bazaar.
Yeah.
Place to go for lunch. There's these other city things to see, so there is lots there.
But Sadi is the best. Sadi is from close by here. I charge you only 50 rupees for all. There is the
But
Sadi.
we want to go here.
Yeah. So we want to go
After I
there.
will take you here, no problem.
No, we want to
We
go
want
here
to go
first.
straight away.
So first you here,
Yeah.
How much?
300 for
We,
her.
know, we get an Uber for 50.
How much you pay?
On
That's right.
Uber, it says 50.
50?
50
Yeah.
rupees on Uber.
No possible, man.
Okay.
Possible. All right.
okay.
Thank you
Thank
anyway.
you. Bye.
So it turns out we can't afford the Indian Ferrari. It's too expensive for us.
Madam, if you want,
So
for
we're
the
gonna
good,
have-
good,
No, we don't. We're right. We're
good
done.
sari, good
You had your
material.
chance. You've blown
It's
it.
nearby here, I charge you 50 rupees for all. I will
No,
show you
we-
it's a good.
We're going to the Newgate for 50 rupees.
But here no sari, here only just jewelry stone.
Oh, we
Okay.
want jewellery as well. Yeah, great.
Right, we're meeting him.
What's his name?
We're meeting
Can't afford the Indian
Shawari
Ferrari.
Joshing on the highway for 54 rupees.
Bargain.
But sir, he no coming.
He always comes.
No problem.
Thank you.
Sir.
Right, let's go.
So that's the common
There is,
theme.
but sir, there is the tourist place. It's very expensive, this place.
We don't mind.
Yeah.
We saved,
If you hear,
from what we saved on your Ferrari, we'll pay there. Yeah?
Go on then.
Thank you.
if you go here, nice salary, nice textiles, it's everything there if you want.
Okay. Done your bad. Bye. So that seems to be a common theme in India, or should I say in Jaipur. It seems to be that you ask a taxi driver to take you somewhere, and they just take you to their friend's shop instead, because they're being paid, or there's like,
Come
you
on, where are you
know.
going from?
See ya,
Lovely.
It's all right. There you go.
Okay.
So it seems like there's some sort of kickback. So you have to be really, really clear on exactly where you're going, and you also need to double check before you get out the taxi, because they just try and take you anywhere and tell you that oh yeah, it's just round there, it's just round there, or just come to my friend's shop, or this place for lunch, or it's crazy. So I know that these locals don't like Uber, because that guy was going to charge us 350 rupees, and actually on Uber it was 54 rupees or something. So they hate Uber because it's a lot cheaper, but at the same time, we know with Uber that it's all logged, and that they're going to be able to take us to our actual destination rather than take us somewhere dodgy. Although actually that Uber we got the other day at the elephant village,
Yeah.
they still took us to the wrong elephant village. Or unless they took us to the... Pardon?
Do you want a bowl of dog food?
Food? Oh, no thank you. Banana? Apples? No thank you. We're going shopping. Yes. This guy just asked if we wanted some food. Apples and bananas.
2
I'm not sure whether he's selling it, whether he's part of a hotel. I don't know. What is
This is about
that?
I had to cross last night.
I don't know. It looks like an apartment block, so I don't know. Definitely not going in his house to eat his apples and bananas. It's a bit weird. So yeah, even Ubers get it wrong, don't they?
But a lot less than random tuk tuks.
Yeah.
What?
Do you reckon he's like, damn, I went in too high with the 300?
No, I bet he's like, I'll get some.
Do you reckon? You only get paid 500 a day.
Thing is, we would have given him 100, wouldn't we?
Yeah. If we'd have gone in with 200, we'd have gone.
100, and then he'd have got it. So with Uber in the UK, what we love about Uber is that you don't need to exchange any money. It's just all done digitally. Like the whole lot is just taken automatically from PayPal. But PayPal is banned in India, so Uber recognise that tourists can't pay via card because we can't access the banking system out here. So all Ubers are cash only. And if you're in the wrong place, or if you arrive somewhere and then you say, no, we're not in the right place, and you ask to go somewhere else, they then try and charge you extra. So even with Uber, you can still get scammed.
1 minute.
But it is what it is.
Which side of the road's the Uber coming on? That's the next one.
I'm not sure.
So the number of the Uber is 6521 of the Tuk Tuk. Chaps. Shoyal.
Having a cheeky little look.
Here?
Oh, he's back.
No, that's him again.
Oh, yeah, he's back. What are you doing back here?
I'm just asking.
Right, you ruined it.
Excuse me, sir. Nearby here is a good shuttle shop. On the way, I will show you. If you like, you can buy. If you don't like, no problem.
No, thank you.
I charge you 100 rupees for all.
He wants to take us to his friend's shop.
Yeah.
No, thank you. You've got to be really careful
That's 6521.
where you're being taken.
Paul.
Yeah?
Yay!
Hold on, I'm going to pay for that.
Bye. Sorry, we didn't get to go in your Ferrari. We so could have got in that Indian Ferrari, and we would have given him 100 rupees, which is double what this guy is getting. Although we'll probably still give him 100.
Okay, guys. Remember, got our bags on our knees now. We've got our bags
We
today.
do, yeah.
So we've not actually got a tuk-tuk before with all of our luggage.
Fine.
So it's going to be interesting to see how he can do this.
That is not fine. But you say fine.
Can we put something on the shelf?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what he's saying. Put your
I say,
Oh,
but he
sorry.
said it's fine.
Yeah, but we've got so much baggage. We're going to have to put some of it on the shelf.
Yeah.
Hunter, could you do me a favour, darling, and put this bag on the shelf? Thank you.
Yes, here. And this one is also
Yes, sir.
put here.
Yeah, thank you. So actually, this is the most helpful tuk-tuk driver so far, because they don't normally offer to help with any baggage.
Ah,
Oh, I need the hat up there. The hat doesn't work.
Right place there.
so you go to this way.
The hat does not work. In fact, I should not have brought the hat into Jaipur at all.
Oh, I'm next to
Okay, let's
Now
go.
you sit happy.
We need to get out of here now. If we die, at least it's on film. He's got a knife, Paul. He's got a pair of scissors.